Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. If sin x plus sin square x equal to 1, then find out cos square x plus cos to the power 4x. Okay, what is given? Sin x plus sin square x equal to 1. So given condition, sin x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Okay, so in this sin x is equal to this plus sin square x, bring the right side, 1 minus sin square x. Okay, sin x is equal to, we have 1 minus sin square x formula, cos square x. Okay, now squaring on both sides, therefore sin square x is equal to cos square x whole square. This is cos to the power 4x. Okay, sin square x, we have sin square x formula, 1 minus cos square x is equal to cos to the power 4x. Therefore, this minus cos square x, bring the right side, 1 is equal to cos square x plus cos to the power 4x. Okay, what is the answer? 1. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Cos x minus y value given minus 1. Then find out cos x plus cos y. Okay, so what is given condition? Cos x minus y equal to minus 1. So minus 1, right? Cos 180. Therefore x minus y equal to 180. Okay, so y is equal to, or x is equal to minus 5, bring the right side, 180 plus y. So what is required? What is required? Cos x plus cos y. Okay, cos x, where x value, right? 180 plus y plus cos y. So cos 180 plus y is minus cos y. Okay, cos 180 plus theta is minus cos theta plus cos y. So cos y get cancelled, answer will be 0. Okay, let us go to the next problem. The value of sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay, sin to the power 6. This can be written as sin square theta whole cube. Sin square theta whole cube plus this one cos square theta whole cube plus 3 sin theta, 3 sin square theta into cos square theta into right 1. Okay, this value sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube plus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. This one place in, we should write sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, okay, this is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is a plus b whole cube. Okay, a plus b whole cube, where a place in sin square theta, b place in cos square theta, right? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, so a plus b whole cube, sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube. So this will be 1 cube is equal to 1. So 1 answer. Okay, look at the next question. The value of sin square 51 minus x plus sin square 39 plus x. Okay, we have formula sin square a plus sin square b equal to 1. Cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1. Tan a into tan b equal to 1. Cot a into cot b equal to 1. Okay, if a plus b equal to 90 or 270. If a plus b equal 90 or 270, sin square a plus sin square b equal to 1. Okay, remaining. Therefore, what is given? Sin square 51 minus x plus sin square 39 plus x. First, we have to find this value. So let us take 51 minus x is equal to a and this is b. Since a is equal to 51 minus x and b is equal to 39 plus x. Okay, sum of these two angles a plus b is equal, x get cancelled, 90. So this condition verified. Okay, so sin square a plus sin square b equal to 1. This answer will be 1. Sin square a plus sin square b 1. If a plus b 90. So answer is 1. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 5. Find the value of log tan 17 plus log tan 37 plus log tan 53 plus log tan 73. Okay, we have log a plus log b plus log c plus log d. Formula is log ABCD. Okay, what is the formula? Log a plus log b equal to log AB. Okay, in this log a plus log b plus log c plus log d is log of ABCD. Log tan 17 into tan 37 into tan 53 into tan 73. Okay, we have one formula. If a plus b equal to 90 or 270, tan a tan b equal to 1. Okay, tan a tan b 1 and cot a cot b also 1. So in this 17 plus 73, so 17 plus 73 90. So log of, we should write tan 17 into tan 73 into tan 17 and tan 37 into tan 53. Tan 37 into tan 53. Okay, this value will be 1 because 17 plus 73 is 90. Okay, this value will be 1. 37 plus 53. This value also 37 plus 53 90. Okay, this value also 1. Log of, so 1 into 1, log 1 is equal to 0. Okay, let us go to the next problem. In this statement, tan alpha plus beta value given, tan alpha minus beta 1 given. Then we have to find tan 6 beta. Okay, first we have to find alpha and beta values. Tan alpha plus beta equal to root 3. Okay, so tan alpha plus beta equal to, this root 3 is tan 60. Therefore alpha plus beta equal to 60 degrees. Therefore alpha plus beta equal to 60. Okay, so what is the second equation? Tan alpha minus beta equal to 1 given. So tan alpha minus beta equal to 1. This one written as tan 45. Therefore alpha minus beta equal to 45. But our target is 6 beta. Okay, beta value our target. So alpha plus beta is equal to 60 and alpha minus beta is equal to 45. Okay, by elimination method we have to find beta value. So do subtraction. So alpha get cancelled, this is plus. Beta plus beta, 2 beta is equal to 15. What is required? Required is tan 6 beta. 6 beta can be written as 3 into 2 beta. 3 into 2 beta. Where 2 beta value, we got it 15. So tan of 3 into 15. This is equal to tan 45. So this will be 1. Okay, look at the next question. In this statement, 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin B into 1 plus sin C and 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin B, 1 minus sin C equal to k given. We have to find k value. So options are given. Okay, first we have to find k square value. K square means k into k. Okay, one k place you should write this value. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin B into 1 plus sin C. Okay, this k place and write second value 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin B into 1 minus sin C. Okay, so 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A plus, by using A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. So 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A, this will be 1 minus sin square A. So 1 plus sin B into 1 minus sin B, this value will be 1 minus sin square B. 1 plus sin c into 1 minus sin c. This would be 1 minus sin square c is equal to k square. So k square is equal, this formula cos square a into cos square b into cos square c. Okay, square root on both sides. K is equal to plus or minus square cos a cos b cos c. Okay, so which option is correct? Second option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. If a sin square theta plus b cos square theta equal to c, then we have to find a tan square theta. Okay, how can we solve this problem? So what is required? Tan square theta. So divide cos square theta on both sides. Divide cos square theta on both sides. So a sin square theta by cos square theta plus b cos square theta by cos square theta. So this will be c by cos square theta. In this one, cos square theta get cancelled. A into sin square by cos square tan square theta plus b is equal to c times of 1 by cos square is nothing but secant square theta. Okay, a tan square theta plus b is equal to c times of, we have secant square theta formula 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. So secant square theta is equal to, formula is 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, therefore a tan square theta plus b is equal to, this c multiply with 1 plus tan square theta, c into 1 c plus c tan square theta. But our target is tan square theta. So this c tan square theta bring the left side, this d bring the right side. Okay, a tan square theta minus c tan square theta equal to c minus b. Okay, in left side one tan square theta take out common, this will be a minus c is equal to c minus b. Therefore our target is tan square theta. Okay, tan square theta is equal to c minus b by a minus c. C minus b by a minus c. So c minus b by a minus c correct answer. Let us start question number 9. If cos square theta by a equal to sin square theta by b, then we have to find cos to the power 4 theta by a plus sin to the power 4 theta by b. Okay, what is given condition? This is a given condition. From this condition, so by using cross product, this value will be b cos square theta equal to a sin square theta. Okay, so therefore b by a is equal to sin square by cos square is tan square theta. Therefore tan theta equal to root b by root a. Tan theta equal to root b by root a. Okay, from this triangle theta, what is tan theta formula? Opposite side by adjacent side. Root b, this is root a. Hypotenuse is root over a plus b. Okay, we have to find what is required. Cos to the power 4, cos theta power 4 by a plus sin theta power 4 by b. Okay, from this triangle cos theta value, adjacent side by hypotenuse, root a by root a plus b power 4 into a. Okay, into a means 1 by a. So this is 1 by b into, where sin theta, from this triangle sin theta formula root b by root a plus b. So root b by root a plus b power 4. So this value will be root a power 4 is a square by, this is a plus b whole square into a. This is also 1 by b into b square by a plus b whole square. 1b, 1a get cancelled. So these two are like fractions. LCM is a plus b whole square. So numerator value a plus b. Okay, on a plus b get cancelled. What is the answer? 1 by a plus b. So answer is 1 by a plus b. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Where alpha beta are complementary angles. Sin alpha value given 3 by 5. Then we have to find sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Okay. So sin alpha value given 3 by 5. Okay, where alpha beta are complementary angles. So alpha plus beta equal to 90. Therefore alpha is equal to 90 minus beta. Right, sin the alpha place in right, 90 minus beta is equal to 3 by 5. So sin 90 minus theta, this will be cos beta. Cos beta is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, cos beta equal 3 by 5. Sin alpha value 3 by 5. Cos beta also 3 by 5. So what is required? Sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Okay, this is required. So sin alpha value 3 by 5. Cos beta value 3 by 5. Cos alpha formula root 1 minus sin square alpha into, so sin beta formula root over 1 minus cos square beta. So 3 3 is 9 by 25 under root 1 minus sin square alpha. Sin alpha value 3 by 5. 1 minus, this is 9 by 25 into this value 1 minus cos square beta, this value is also 9 by 25. Okay, this value we got it 9 by 25. This value 16 by 25, 4 by 5. This is also same 4 by 5. So 9 minus 16 by 25. So this will be minus 7 by 25. So minus 7 by 25 correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. So what is given? Cos square x plus cos x value given 1. Then we have to find sin to the power 8x plus 2 sin to the power 6x plus sin to the power 4x. Okay. So what is given? Cos square x plus cos x value given. Okay, this is what is given in terms of cosine value given. This convert into in terms of sine. So therefore cos x is equal to this plus cos square x, bring the right side 1 minus cos square x. So cos x is equal to, we have 1 minus cos square x formula, sin square x. Okay. Now squaring on both sides. So cos square x is equal to sin to the power 4x. We have cos square x formula 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x is equal to sin to the power 4x. Okay, this minus value bring the right side. 1 is equal to sin square x plus sin to the power 4x. Okay, now squaring on both sides again. So therefore 1 is equal to sin square x plus sin to the power 4x whole square. So 1 is equal to, so by using a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square value sin square whole square and b square sin to the power 4x whole square plus 2ab. 2 sin square x into sin to the power 4x. 1 is equal to, this is sin to the power 4x, this is sin to the power 8x, plus this is 2 sin square x into sin to the power 4x, sin to the power 6x. Okay, what is the statement? Sin to the power 8 plus 2 sin to the power 6 plus sin to the power 4. Okay, this is answer is 1. So this answer will be 1. Thank you for watching. The remaining problems I will explain on next class.